Chapter 7 Preposition. Let's look into it. A word used in close connection with and usually before nouns and pronouns to show their relation to another part of a clause is called a preposition. Let's understand. Look at the highlighted words and their position carefully. Amit's name is in the list. The doctor is with the patient. The flower vase is on the mat. The sun is behind the plants. Parrots are flying over the river. Avinash is pouring tea into the cup. There is a statue upon the platform. Children are dancing around campfire. There is a pear among the fruits. Ginny and Johnny are reading from a book. The book is in front of them. Speak correctly. The word preposition is pronounced incorrectly as preposition by many people. The correct pronunciation of the word is preposition. The stress is on pa and not on pre. Types of preposition. There are mainly 5 types of prepositions: simple preposition, compound preposition, phrase preposition, participle preposition, double preposition. Simple preposition. Simple prepositions are used in the simple sentences. Some of the simple prepositions are in, on, at, to, from, with, by, about, over, under, of, for, etc. For example, I am not going with the driver. She is waiting in the mall. Kamal is going to the market. The bird is flying over the house. Compound preposition. Compound prepositions are used to join two nouns, pronouns, or phrases. Some of the compound prepositions are about, above, along, across, among, around, before, behind, below, beneath, beside, between, inside, etc. For example, city of Zoro is located between two mountains. Jatin will finish the lunch before Arun. I want to know how the fan works. Phrase preposition. Prepositional phrases have prepositions indicating relationships among various elements in the sentence. Some of the phrase prepositions are according to, an account of, in addition to, by means of, for the sake of, in front of, in order to, in spite of, with reference to, due to, etc. For example, my brother returned home due to a rainy day holiday in school. There were 3 jamun trees in the garden, according to me. Tanya worked hard in order to maintain her position in the class. Participle prepositions. As evident with its name, the participle preposition is a participle like ed or ing verb which acts as a preposition such as assuming, barring, concerning, considering, during, given, notwithstanding, pending, regarding, respected, provided, etc. For example, my sister gets sick during winter season. The principal would like to deliver a speech regarding healthy food. Zishan's project work is still pending. The teacher, considering my hard work, thinks I can pass the exam easily. Double preposition. Double prepositions are words having two prepositions which join together to make a whole new one, such as because of, from behind, into, onto, outside of, out of, within, etc. For example, we need to solve 2 questions out of 3. We won the game just because of Koyal's performance. The class need to submit the project on weather within 4 days. Other types of prepositions. Other types of prepositions include preposition of place, time, and direction. Preposition of place. Prepositions of place are used to indicate the place of action or a location, such as at, in, on, while, during, near, over, under, between, behind, etc. For example, dog is at the door. My home is near the post office. Shapat lives behind the city station. Didi is in the room. Prepositions of time. Prepositions of time are used to indicate time of an action or time relationship between nouns in the sentence, such as at, to, in, etc. For example, my sister and I go to school daily at 7 o'clock. Our result gets declared in the month of March. Where will you be at 6 o'clock? Why are you going to library in this period? Preposition of direction. Prepositions of direction are used to indicate direction of someone or something in the sentence, such as over, under, to, on, into, in, onto, right, left, etc. For example, it's time to go to the park. The car is entering into the tunnel. They were going over the bridge.